Hello YouTube world, Tony with the Po' Boy Adventure crew. Today we're going to unbox my Palmetto State Armory AR-15 that I just now purchased. They called a Freedom lower, I believe Freedom package. Before I get to there, I want to give a shout out to the guys at Hawk Creek Armory. That's where I got my Anderson lower. It's a strip lower. All the other parts that go in this to make the gun function will be in with the Palmetto Arms kit. Sit it over here out of the way. Again, this is the 16-inch rifle. Go ahead and get to unboxing. Double boxed. This is the interior box, of course. Got it opened up. All the parts are here. Went through a brief breakdown while ago on it to make sure it was all here. Our buffer tube and our stock. MagPul pop-up stock sights. Comes with this particular kit. And there's our hand grip. And here's our rifle itself. It's got the rail system on top for attaching optics and the sights. M-lock system, I believe what this is called. If there's any changes on that, I'll be sure to put that in the descriptor down on the bottom of the video. Put the box here out of the way. We'll go ahead and get into the integral stuff of the actual kit itself. On the Anderson lower, you can see that it's got the bottom of the trigger guard there already attached to it, so I won't need the trigger guard that come with the kit, which is right there. So that if you get a lower that doesn't have the trigger guard already attached or already made into the lower, you'll have that right there comes with that for that. So that we won't be needing. All right. Here's our mag release. Our 2 pins that holds for assembling the lower to the upper. Trigger assembly and hammer. I'm not going to take all this stuff out because there's a lot of small parts in here, pins and the springs and what have you. I don't want to take a chance of losing any of them because we're getting ready to start this build. My son Austin had this gun long enough. He said, let's get it put together so we can go out and shoot it. So that's what we decided to do. I wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing right fast to show you all some of the parts. So if you ever get ready to build one yourself, you'll know how some of the stuff comes. This here is the mag release. Fire selector. I'm sorry, this is not the mag release. This is the slide release. This is the mag release. And this is your fire selector. Safety and fire. And of course we all know there is no the semi-automatic weapon. There is no automatic fire on this particular weapon. Alright, so that's got the rifle from Palmetto Arms, Palmetto State Armory in South Carolina. As you see it spread out on the table. That's what comes in the, I believe it was, I thought it had on here what it was considered, what the actual package it was. Pull it up on my computer here and see what it says. It doesn't have a package. I thought it said something about a Freedom something or other. Maybe it was on the box, I see. One more time. Look at the box here. Classic rifle kit. It doesn't say. I could have swore I seen Freedom on it earlier. But anyway, nonetheless, we're going to get to putting this together. See how it goes. So, we'll get her assembled. Maybe shoot some video of the assembly. And once we get it functioning, we may go out and shoot some video of the actual gun aspiring it. So, for now, it's Tony with the Po' Boy Adventures. and we're going to start doing our first AR build.
Hey everybody, Tony with Po' Ventures. Got my AR build completed, and we're going to go ahead and attempt to put it on some paper, see if we can get our iron sight, our MagPul iron sight zeroed in. So, got a PMag, MagPul, PMag magazine, and we're going to put her down range and see what's happening. So, you see how close she is right now. So, get back here in just a little bit. Alright, this is our first grouping.
Ears in.
Thank you, son. Going hot. Going safe.